Okay guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 524 on mobile. So for the first step, go to roblox.com, click on continue in browser. On the top right, go to settings. You'll come to this page. In the drop down menu on account info, there'll be a couple of different options. Click on account info drop down menu. Click on parental controls, scroll down till you see allowed experiences, and click on 17 plus. Unfortunately, I don't have I need to verify my email to set this up, but I'll set this up to 17 plus. Then under the parental controls, click on that once again. Go to privacy, scroll down, and then you will see this page here. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and set the first one to everyone who can make me a member of their private server. The one under that who can join me in experiences everyone. You can set the other ones to the default settings, yes, and everyone. And once you've done this, this should solve this error.